this is the state. Now in this example, we are using a state to call a script. And I like doing this because scripts allow me to have more complex installation logic, and I can take much better advantage of the tool set and logic of the operating system, shell script power. The problem, of course, with a single script is that it doesn't run every unit time, so we need a state for that. So with this state, this now allows us to run the script and ensure that the copy happens, and that Acrobat is installed. So this state is done in 3 parts. Line 6 starts the download of the reader. So here we'll just download into ctempbacon the zip file, and we will reference that zip file inside of file repository, and this is the file hash that we get back. Our second state is to download the Powershell script, and that Powershell script, we're going to copy that to ctempbacon install _acrobat.ps1. Excellent. And we will reference that file directly from our repository files section. You'll notice that we do have make ders set to true for both. By default, replace is off, so if we haven't listed it here on line 10 or line 11, then it will not update the zip file. It will not copy it down every single time. They'll copy it once and then will not overwrite it. However, for the script, since that's a very small section of data and you might want to update it if you make changes to your installation script, we have replace set to true. So this will always copy the file over, but because this is just a few, it's like maybe 1 or 2 KB, there's not a lot of data to copy over that network connection. Lastly, we have, this is actually going to do the work now, and this is, we're going to expand the reader archive and perform the installation. So this is a command.script, and we're going to run ctempbacon install acrobat.ps1. We're going to use the shell Powershell. Our environment, we're going to set execution policy to bypass. And then this creates C program files, Adobe Acrobat 2020, Acrobat.exe. So therefore, before running this install acrobat.ps1, Bacon is going to check to see if this file at that path exists. If it does exist, it will not run the install acrobat.powershell, the PS1. Okay, that's it for this Bacon Bit video. I appreciate your time, and always have a bacony kind of day. Stay bacon out there. Bacon.